Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you how you can display character on dot matrix display using array. So let's start the video. How to display character on dot matrix display. Project description. In this project we will display character on dot matrix display using array. Row are connected to port C and column are connected to port D of a PIC16887 microcontroller, and the microcontroller operates with a 4 MHz crystal. We are using ULN2803 IC with row because microcontroller cannot provide enough current for operating 64 LEDs of a dot matrix display. Circuit diagram. Here is circuit diagram we will use in our project. We already used this diagram in last video. We are using same circuit diagram. Here is a pin 14 and 13. We are using 4 MHz crystal and we are using 22 PA capacitor. Here is the reset circuit. Pin number 11 and 32 connected with the positive supply. 12 and 31 connected with the ground. Here is the port C. Port C is interface with the row and port D is interface with the column. And we are using 100 ohm current limiting resistor. We are using ULN2803 because microcontroller cannot provide enough current to operating a dot matrix display. Let's draw this circuit in a Proteus and after that we will test that circuit. Friend, circuit is ready. I use these resistor 10k resistor. In practical you don't need these resistors, but in Proteus ULN2803 cannot work without these pull up resistor. Now we will write its code in MPLAB. After that we will test this circuit. Friends, main file is ready. I already wrote a code, otherwise video get very long. I will copy this code and I will paste here. I will explain you. Here is the PIC 16087 bit configuration. Here is the XC header file, and that is PIC 16087 header file. Here is frequency of crystal. We are using 4 MHz crystal. Here we define a port C as a row, and here we define a port D as a column. Here is the function of the delay. Here we are using unsend char row data. We are using array. We are using all data on that is hex code of the row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and unsend char column data. Here is the data of the column for column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These data we will send one by one using array techniques. From here main code is start. In main code we will set TRISC is equal to 0. We define port C as a output port, and we will define port D as a output port. TRISD is equal to 0. After that we generate two variables R and C, and we will assign 0 value to R and we will assign 0 value to C. We will use this variable into our course. Here is the while one loop. While one loop is an endless loop. In while one loop we will send column. Here is the port D is interface with the column. We will send C into column data. Initial value of the C is equal to 0. It will find code from column data. You can see here is the column data. It will find code number 0. Here is the code number 0. It will send this data into the column, and after that it will send R to the row data. The initial value of the R is equal to 0, and it will get this code and send that data to the row, and row is interface with the port C, that is the row of the dot matrix display. After that it will take delay, and it will increment the value of the R, it will increment the value of the C, and if R is equal to 9 it will set the R is equal to 0, and if C is equal to 9 it will set C is equal to 0. In next step the value of the R is increment. Now its value is 1, and value of the C is increment. Now the value of the C is equal to 1. After that it will send C. Now the value of the C is equal to 1, and it will find the code number 1, that is the 0, that is the 1, and it will send that code to the column. Next line in R, the value of the R is equal to 1, and it will get code from the number 1, and it will send that code to the row, and it will display on port C and port D, and it will take a delay, and after that it will again increment the value of R, increment the value of the C. When its value reach to the 9 it will set to the 0, and it will again repeat the code. So it will send step by step, one by one, all this code, row code and column code to the column and row, and it will repeat, and that is endless loop, and it will not finish. And at the end we have function of the delay. We are using two variables, and we are using these two variables into a for loop for generating some delay. Now we will generate its hex file. Just click on Volt main project. hex file is created. Now we will load this file into our circuit. Double click on the controller, select hex file, desktop, pick 16F, dot matrix display, how to display character using array. Open this file, OK, and click on run simulation. You can see here we display B on dot matrix display. You can reset, it will display again and again. Friends, if you have any problem in code, let me know in comments, and keep watching Star Technology 5G.